Hello everyone, today I'm back with my another video on the topic which is class 9 chapter number 2 MCQs. So this would be very interesting and let's start our today's video. All of you get comfortable and let's start our today's video. So our first question is, who was deaf in the lesson? So who was deaf in the lesson? Evelyn. Evelyn was deaf in the lesson. How old was Evelyn when she went to Royal Music Academy? She was just 18 years old. Now let's move to our next page. When was Evelyn's deafness noticed? Now when was her deafness noticed? When she was 8 years old. When was Evelyn's deafness confirmed? नोटिस कब करी गई थी? जब वो 8 की थी. फिर कन्फर्म एकदम कब हो गया था? By the age of 11. Now let's move to our next page. Who helped Evelyn to continue with her music? So who helped? D. Ron Forbes. Who spotted Evelyn's potential? If he supported means he also spotted Evelyn's potential. So the right answer is both Rowan Forbes. Now let's move to our next page. Which places had Evelyn worked for? Now here correct answer is, it's written down only B. Correct answer is B. Prisons and hospitals. Now, question 8. What was life for Evelyn? The life for Evelyn was one and only thing, music. Now, let's move to our next page. Where was the Royal Music Academy? Now, it's an important question, we may say. Sorry. So, where was it? D part, London. What did Evelyn want to pursue? The right answer is music. Now next page. What did Aurangzeb ban in his palace? What did he ban? A. Playing of Pungi. Why was playing Pungi in Aurangzeb palace banned? D. All, because it had a sharp sound. It wasn't good. It was unpleasant. Now let's move to our next page. Who thought of improving the sound of Pungi? C part, a barber. Can you believe it? Question 14. How is Shehnai different from Pungi? Shehnai has a better sound. Next question. Who changed the perception of the Shehnai? C. Bismillah Khan. So what's the right answer here? C. Bismillah Khan. Where was the Shehnai played traditionally? Yes, everywhere it was played, in temples, in wedding ceremonies and auspicious ceremonies also. Now, when did Bismillah get his first big break as a Shehnai performer? A. In 1983, when All India Radio came into existence. Question 18. Why did Bismillah refuse to go to the USA? Because of his love for Banaras and river Ganges. Now question number 19. Where did Bismillah play the Shehnai on 15th August 1947? It's the date when we got independence. At Ganga Ghat in Banaras near Red Fort at Kashi. So the right answer of 19 is near Red Fort. Why was the event of Shehnai playing on 15th August a historic one? C part. It was Independence Day. From where did Shehnai get its name? So the right answer is the right answer is from Barbar, Nai in Hindi, King Shah. So Shehnai is a refined version of which instrument? Yeah, the pungi. Sorry. Now let's move to our next page. Bismillah gave through his performance. Where did Bismillah give his first break through his performance? At Red Fort, at Varanasi, at All India Radio. So where did she give? So the right answer is here C, at All India. Question 24. Who all were present on the event of 15th August? Who all were present? So here the right answer is, let's do it small, D, all. Nehru, Gandhi, all element of people. Now question number 25. Where did people discourage Elvin to purchase music? Now the right answer is D only, because she was deaf. What did Robin Forbes advised Elvin? Now what did he advise Elvin? He advised feel music with her body, to feel music with her body. So here the right answer is C. Now next question. Question number 27. How did Evelyn hear music? So the right answer is C, by feeling vibration through her different parts of the body, fingers, hair, feet. 28th question. What did Evelyn want to spread through her music? Yeah, she wanted to spread that message of love, peace and happiness. Question number 29. Who played Shehnai at King's Palace? Who played? A barber. What was the source of inspiration for Bismillah? Now what was the source of inspiration? Yeah, it was Ganga Ghats. Now I am marking the questions with highlights. So let's start up before one chapter from one. You have to read these questions and tell me what answers and scores did you got. And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and let's see. Here we are on our question number 1. Who was deaf in the lesson? Now this question also I'm not able to underline, but I'll do it. Okay, now here. How old was Evelyn when she went to Royal Music Academy? Now next page. When was Evelyn deafness noticed? This you also can do as I'm underlining, because these are important questions. Thank you for today, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, Bye, take care, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.